Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Every smaller step towards indigenous development is moving ahead India towards attaining its bigger goal of self-reliant India, and it's not possible without the involvement of private players. In the lights of the same, Mahindra Defence System Limited has bagged a contract worth rupees 1,350 crore for manufacturing of integrated anti-submarine warfare defense suite for modern warships of Indian Navy. This is going to be a complete package consisting of all the components required to defend a warship against the silent killers of water. Today's video is going to be an interesting one, as we'll be discussing in detail about the integrated anti-submarine warfare defense suite offered by Mahindra Defence and how it works. So let's get started. Back in 2015, Mahindra Defence had tied up with UK-based Ultra Group for the development of IADS. However, what is not clear if Mahindra Defence has the complete intellectual rights for the development of it. But going via the press release, Mahindra Defence seems to have all the rights to manufacture and develop the IADS. DRDO has also developed its version of IADS. However, Mahindra Defence has come up as a winner in the competitive bids along with other Indian companies via an open tender in which systems fielded were put through detailed trials at sea to prove their capabilities. This gives quite confidence in the IADS system of Mahindra Defence. Now let's talk about IADS and its functioning. In deep blue waters, when warship is patrolling, there is a silent killer lurking deep below the surface and waiting to pounce when they have chance. The submarines can launch torpedoes on the surface vessels. This is where the integrated anti-submarine warfare defense suite, that is IADS, comes to rescue. Mahindra's IADS includes 14 types of components. Some of the main IADS components include torpedo defense system, horizontal projector array, hull mounted sonar, towed low frequency source, anti-torpedo decoys, and a software for monitoring and a user interface. The entire system of sensors are monitored using single platform from the software provided by Mahindra Defence. The different types of sonars of IADS includes capability of detecting underwater threats such as torpedoes, underwater mines, and neutralize them. All these actions can be performed with the help of single software platform. It can also share the data with friendly ship having same type of IADS system. When a torpedo is launched towards the vessel, the IADS can share the location of launch with the friendly vessels. Though the torpedoes can be detected by sonar, however, it might be too late for a warship before they find them. But a torpedo also has weaknesses which is exploited by the torpedo defense systems of IADS. Torpedoes are slow and have limited endurance, typically around 30 minutes. Torpedoes also has a small sonar at their tip which detects the sound generated by the propeller of the ship and follows it. But then a torpedo also needs a propeller to dive it inside the water to reach to its target. The propeller of torpedoes can be detected by sonar, but it's difficult to neutralize them due to their small size. This is where anti-torpedo decoy system of IADS comes to rescue. It diverts the torpedoes from actual target by generating the sound and giving false impression of warship. The decoys divert and make torpedo lose its energy, after which they are rendered useless. The submarines can then also be counter-attacked with torpedoes from warship. The anti-torpedo decoys contain 8 to 10 expandable acoustic device EAD. The launchers fire their countermeasures using self-contained high-pressure air to simplify handling and installation when systems are moved from ship to ship. The system is also having a horizontal projector array. It is a single 20-feet mission module for maximum modularity and portability. It can be configured as a passive only sonar with a suite of directional or omnidirectional sensor modules, or as a low frequency active sonar with an inline horizontal projector array HPA. which is an array of multiple inline independently driven projectors. The hull-mounted sonar of an IADS is a medium frequency sonar that provides active and passive surveillance and classification capabilities in a broad range of environmental conditions. It is capable of omni or sector transmission and can also provide automatic torpedo classifications with low false alarm rate, mine and obstacle avoidance, underwater communications, and optional automatic marine mammal detection. Performance prediction measures an inbuilt computer interface optimizes information gathering for faster and more efficient decision making in a broad range of operational situations. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.